Hey FABN, this is Samantha here at the World Ag Expo, and I'm talking with Craig with Ultra Grow.
Hi, how are you?
Tell us a little bit about your company. What are you doing here? What are you working with?
Ultra Grow Plant Food, based out of Madera, California. We are a supplier of all liquid fertilizers, known for sustainable, great solubility. It's pretty much the best fertilizer in the world.
Sounds like it. So you were telling me it's a 26-year-old company and you're based out of Madera. So, how has it grown over the years?
Well, we have 19 salesmen spaced throughout California. We stretch from the Oregon border down to the Oxnard vegetable grounds. We actually are selling fertilizer into Coachella Valley, and we have a lot of guys in the Central Valley. Strawberries, grapes, almonds, a whole variety of crops.
So it sounds like that covers a ton of crops, especially in the Central Valley area. What does Ultra Grow like about being at the World Ag Expo? What brings you guys here?
Well, we have a great tent location. Several years ago, all we had was a little booth in one of the pavilions, and that was fine. You had a lot of traffic during the rainy days and everything, but you felt like a little bit of a sardine. So we decided several years ago to make a commitment to the farm show and get our own tent, landscaping. We have a good team of guys here who all pitched in, worked on the weekend and everything to set this up. As you'll be able to see, it's nicely landscaped and everything, and we have a lot of traffic come through, and it's a good opportunity for all of our guys to see their growers and their people.